Me self go talk. More even just use am. No, wetin dey sup.
But yeah, now me, I just want to know if the mic the work. Now my work.
And
Okay, if let's say
actually,
the work.
to even just know how the both of us will sound.
I sound good now, guy. You know, guys, mic won't take bad. I will always sound good.
You sure? You see,
I
pride,
sound good.
pride. Yeah, no more year.
All right.
When all the characterization was clear in my head, at the end of the day, it was people I know. You get
Yeah, that
that.
fits the
I
personas.
know freak on the reason Victoria Kiman.
Mm.
I know him, but sure I know him. You get me?
Let
So
me tell everybody support their house. I know Jacob, but sure I know how.
but sure I know him. You feel me? So yeah, at the end of the day, and it was so special. The selection was so special. Like everybody I told was like, bam, like on the spot response.
But no be people with savvy. Like it's not only people that actually know the behind story of the gods that can relate with the people you chose as characters, and then for them to validate them.
Exactly. Should I now bust your head
Yeah, no.
to the beauty of this project? It is Yoruba Gods NFT. We are talking about essentially the Yoruba culture,
Yeah.
the stories in Yoruba culture.
Hmm.
You get me?
Yeah.
Anybody can play that part. I think the most important question is the creator a Yoruba? And the answer is yes. Meaning a Frenchman can play Ogun, but he's still going to be recognized as Ogun. We're not going to change Ogun now because he's a Frenchman.
Hmm.
Do you get what I'm saying?
So
Superman can be played by anybody. However, it is Superman's story and shall be called Clark Kent. Even if your name is Victor Ogunbade, they will still call you Clark Kent.
Yeah, you just had to be Victor Ogunbade.
I mean, so nobody will come for me.
You just had to be.
So yeah.
Okay.
And same with you. Like I have to give everyone their flowers. You get me? Like, and me, I look out for these little things, like energy, like connection, like spirituality in things.
Mm.
You feel me? Like the intangible things, the abstract things. You get, like, I know you are facing your day to day, but here you are, dedicating time for your agreements. So like, and that is special because in the world, many people plan.
True.
Don't let us say the end of that. So yeah, I'm just grateful for everyone on board so far. And I'm still looking at some people, but when we get there, we'll approach them and they will have no choice but to say yes again. So yeah.
I understand why you feel like, the first question is the person a Yoruba person?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very, very important because even in all the things that you're saying, in your gratitude to people, your gratitude is also going to be extended to Yoruba as a culture, as, a way of life itself, because he contributed to everything.
Because that's my story. That's who I am.
Yeah.
Essentially. You get state of origin, Ondo State. Local government, Akure South. Like, I can now say Paris, France. Or Madrid, Spain. You get me? It must be a joke or something. But yeah. Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria. I'm a Yoruba man. You feel me? So yeah. And the beauty of where I'm from, or the beauty of my people. I just want to tell the stories.
So you're pretty much this way you just described now.
Yeah, it's a symbol.
You're pretty much bringing it into like the way you're telling the stories of the gods.
Exactly. These are like traditional African stories, but with modern techniques and approach. You feel me? This is like history this is like past in the present day.
Yeah, exactly.
And the meaning of that in a deeper sense is, just preserving our history, preserving the culture, preserving the arts, preserving the stories. Like, should I give you one info?
Okay.
There's a way you create something, and then there's a way it will communicate to you.
That's true.
So the communication of that music work, that project is like so mad. And because I get reports every day, I open my artists for Spotify, artists for Apple Music, Amazon artists. You get, I see the daily reports, and I'm like, and there are some regions I see, I'm like, how did I even affect there? I know I can affect Nigeria. I know I can affect the next person to stream the music that's probably going to be in Lagos, or that's probably going to register as Lagos, Nigeria. But how can I affect someone in India?
So how do you create an ability for the project to be exportable?
So again, I'm a student of my art.
Okay.
And I think that's the beauty. That's where the beauty lies. So when it happened, when it got created, bro, the information that was coming to me was like massive. On TikTok. Whole new level of insights. On Instagram, whole new level of insights. On this, on that. And then I now have to learn from that. In order to reach more, you have to drop more content. You feel me? It was when I saw the reports of even the spaces where I wasn't trying to get to. That was like the push to do more. You get?
Yeah.
Like, it's just like applying little effort and then seeing blessings. You weren't even all about that in the first place. You just wanted to work. Do you get? And then doing what you just love, or what you wouldn't mind being paid nothing for, turning into blessings. It's just crazy. So yeah, that kind of like drove or remolded or reshaped the direction, changed many things. You feel me? Because at the point of drawing out the roadmap and everything, I thought it was going to be like 1.0 was going to be done in like 6 months. Such a joke. But here we are, like, this is 1 year plus. It's crazy. Like, it was even through the music I knew that 1 year don't even reach. Mad. How? July 27, 2022, the first music project. And my distributor sent, 1 year anniversary mail with like 300k streams, 300k plus streams.
At 1 year?
Yeah.
Damn.
For 1 year anniversary, bro.
Damn,
bro. Organically. That's the beauty. Again, that is what the project is teaching me on a global scale. So like I'm learning a lot the project with the vision. So it's actually divine. Yeah.
Like, as you are telling the story, because at the same time everybody is being molded. Do you get? Everybody's going through their own experiences and it's shaping them. Do you get? But this Yoruba God seems like, with the more you talk about it, the more personal it becomes.
Yeah.
So it emphasizes really how, like, this is what is shaping you. This is your own story for real. Yoruba Gods is the story of image deity.
True that.
Yeah, so it's obvious.
True
and
that.
It cuts borders, but it connects borders at the same time because of who you are as a person.
True that.
And what you represent and how you have allowed the project to connect with you. Because, bro, like the first time when you tell me about the project, say na for room, for board.
Yes, now.
All the EP, don't code everything.
Encrypted.
So you really
you know me too much.
You really opened yourself to the project. And it's crazy that, guy, you had the courage to do that. Because, bro, yourself, now, where you are coming from as far as this project is concerned.
Yeah.
Risks where you don't take.
True that.
You get decisions, choices where you don't make.
Yeah.
Maybe say, say, I
And
don't
every
know,
decision
but
was at a critical time.
of course.
And even
That's the emphasis on the risk. That's the risk
being
aspect.
being a Nigerian, it's like a given that you have to be in a critical predicament.
That's not even good there, man.
So yeah, like, and the ability to still shine. And when I say this, I don't even mean to individualize it. I'm talking about the project and essentially the culture, the ability for the culture to shine. This is beyond me.
Very true.
It's just like I'm just like the glue.
Exactly. That's
just
what I'm
like
saying.
the glue.
Yeah. It allows for you to be the contact person of all these angles, everything, inside out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's encompassing. It's a box. It's like you have your balanced diet, including water inside the box. Because water is essential,
It is.
Bro, there are some life hacks. It's only if you can feel it. I mean, it's only if your senses are up to it. That is the only way you can tap into it. Creativity is the ability to create mentally. Like, you don't need no materials. It's just you tapping into energy that you even have ability to create. Also, to the testament that I was telling you, before now, that the project is just like the opposite of anything I would do ordinarily.
Yeah. That one, you was supposed to tell me, guy.
So on a normal day, we spent years in uni together.
Bro.
You don't see me write any photo concept before.
At all. All na
freestyle.
On the spot, you don't best.
Iron bender.
Let's just do this.
You get me? So this one is like, again, is divine, and I'm actually, grateful. I'm actually grateful to be in a position to sketch it out with the help of, people like you and others, the supporters, contributors, everyone, even the listeners. I guess all of us, we got our day. So yeah, that's it.